Can I go?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Perfect. Okay, now grip him. Otherwise, he's gonna wiggle again.
Ay. It hurts.
So like,
So
run
you
your
have to
hand down like
run
that.
your hand down.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So you press
Right.
it down. Now hang on tight.
I can't.
Yes, you do.
You can do it.
And he might wiggle a little, but don't let go.
Okay.
Hang
You
on
got him.
tight.
Yep. And now just run the hook.
Backwards out. Yep. There you
I
go.
can't.
You can. It's
You're
gonna
doing
feel
just
weird.
fine.
You're doing fine.
And you might have to do it.
It's slippery.
Yep.
Yes, it is. They're slimy.
It's gonna feel weird.
Oh my God! I
You,
can do this.
shh, you got
You're
it.
doing fine. Don't be so gentle.
I don't want to hurt.
You're not.
Against her character not to be gentle.
You got it.
There you go.
Nice.
And the quicker you do it, the better off it will be for the fish,
Okay.
because he can get back in the water and live, because he's too little to keep.
Okay. Here you go.
You got it. You got it.
Ugh.
Push it out. There you go.
Nice.
There you
Oh,
go.
you got it.
Do it again.
You got it.
Do it again. Push it out.
You got it.
Are we being mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want us to do it?
I will
Okay.
help you.
I think.
I will help you.
I'll do it too. You said you wanted to try though. There you go. You got it.
Good job. Good job.
My little
You
friend.
can just toss it in.
Bye.
We
Be
should.
happy. Oh, he's dead.
No,
No, he's
no,
not.
no. It takes them a little while to get their senses back. It'll swim away. If it was dead, it would be floating on top.
Good job.
Good job, Olivia.
Very good, Livia.
Thank you.